Hi, my name is Ed. I am 55 years old and I want to share with you my experience with prostate problems and talk about how the Urinoct supplement helped me find relief. As a man in his 50s, I began to experience uncomfortable symptoms related to my prostate. I made frequent trips to the bathroom and had difficulty sleeping at night. The pain and discomfort was affecting my daily routine, and I knew I had to find a solution. I started doing some research and came across Urinoct, a natural supplement designed specifically for men with prostate problems or those looking to prevent them. What caught my attention was that it is made from natural ingredients, including saw palmetto, fish oil, vitamin A, and vitamin C. I was attracted to the idea of being able to treat myself with a natural solution and decided to give it a try. But before I talk more about my experience with Urinoct, I want to make it clear to you that Urinoct is only sold on its official website. You won't find it anywhere else. I say from experience, because you can even see it on other sites, but they are not original. You have a great risk of buying a product with adulterated ingredients and harm your health, and that is why I will leave the link of the official Urinoct site here below in the description of this video, okay, so you can access it safely. I am happy to report that thankfully, after only a few days of use, Urinoct has made a significant difference in my life. Since I started taking it, my symptoms that bothered me so much have improved, and I can enjoy my daily activities without interruption. I am sleeping better and don't have to worry about making constant trips to the bathroom. What is great about Urinoct is that it is not only effective, but it is also guaranteed. If for any reason you are not completely satisfied with the results, you can return the product within 60 days for a full refund of your money. This gave me more confidence to try the Urinoct supplement, knowing that if it didn't work for me, I could get my money back. The supplement comes in the form of oral capsules. Each bottle contains 60 easy-to-swallow gel capsules. The recommendation for use given by the manufacturer is 2 capsules a day, always after some meal. Each bottle covers a 30-day supply. On the official site, promotional packages are available to encourage the user to maintain uninterrupted treatment. The more bottles you buy, the cheaper it gets. But I need to be honest and remind you that to get results you need to take your treatment seriously day after day, otherwise you will end up frustrated. Another reason I highly recommend Urinoct is that it is FDA approved. This means that it has been thoroughly tested and deemed safe for use by the FDA, which gave me peace of mind knowing that I was not putting anything harmful into my body. In addition to having no side effects, because it is an all-natural formula. So, to be brief in this review, my advice is that if you are suffering from prostate problems, I highly recommend you try Urinoct. It's a natural solution that really works, and just the fact that you don't have to use dangerous drugs or even resort to surgery is already a great cause for testing it. And the satisfaction guarantee and FDA approval make it a safe and reliable choice. Don't let prostate problems hold you back or limit you further. If you think about testing it, remember that I've left the official website link in the description of this video to help you access it safely. I hope I have helped you with this honest review about Urinoct. I wish you good health. See you soon.